This is Village Auto's 2011 Chevrolet Cruze LT photo stand. Exceptionally clean two-owner car. You have the rear defrost, rear park assist sensors. Very well maintained. This one does come equipped with the 1.4 liter Ecotec 4-cylinder along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $7,842. Let's get inside here for you. This one has a cloth interior, very clean as you can see. We do have a full power options, power driver's side seat, AM/FM CD player with the USB and auxiliary inputs, auto stick feature, OnStar, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. You also have the info screen. This one has only 88,000 miles. Very clean, very well maintained car that runs and drives out excellent. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2011 Chevrolet Cruze LT home with you today.